This earlier, flip it to the side. That's better, more angle. Nice. Yep. Perfect.
Push, guys. Some more. Some more.
Very good. We can take another second to wait. Yeah. We don't have to go right away. We can wait a second.
Hey guys, switch. Get with one of these guys to go in there.
Okay.
We don't have to go around. 10 minutes until.
For YouTube. I'm also just watching my technique. See what I do right, what I do wrong. I'm very visual. I do the same thing when I film back work and before I film it. I put my technique in all that.
You said you can get my shoulder. On my hands. Really no way to stop. You ever go all the way up? Oh, man. You're fine. Yeah. I'm the hard. Right? This.
How are we doing this? Yeah, go for that again. Step in more. There you go. Yeah, bring the arm around. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, all you have to do is just bring the arm around. It's good though. Not bad, bro. That was perfect. That was perfect. That was good. Not expecting that. That was good. Okay. I think I got too overzealous with the step. Hello? Step too far. Yep, good. Yeah, I was like waiting for the counter throw, and then I was like, okay, I'll just go. Yeah, if I'm walking around like this, I'm here and here and here. You over that like shoulder. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, if I'm following you at the seminar, it's not gonna always work, but yeah.
Cover. MMA. Jacket and gloves. Use the vitamin range. My man, Gary. Can I get my name back?
Rest one.
So you guys.
Getting better. Starting to do actual throws now. That's good.
Some of it's just confidence, like,
Yeah.
no, I can't do this.
Yeah.
Feel like confidence or the dilemma of choice that's overwhelming.
Yeah, it's the choice and the confidence. Hey. Yep. There you go. Nice.
It's going to cut your head.
Oh, that's good.
Your head. So, you're going to shoot, right? If you're there, I'm not doing any of the shenanigans, right? Good. Yeah. You kind of came in, it would have been a really good head outside. And he came back.
Not good timing.
Good, right? Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can try a lot harder, can't you? Catch that kick and throw it. You caught my kick. Yeah. I came out of the food, you caught it. Catch it. Right. All right, guys, that's it. That's afternoon.